Talaga. Gutian ko. Sana. No.
Ito na yung tamilok, guys. Kailangan makita mo na nila what. Ay! Ulitin natin.
Uy, kunin mo.
Sige.
Kunin siya. Sayang. Ako na lang to. Ilagay natin.
Sige, sige, sige.
Kasi maliit.
Ito yung tamilok. Kakainin ko na lang to na madami.
And that's the tamilok.
Ito yung nakita natin sa mangrove na they're cutting the mangrove tree and then they're hunting, they're getting this one. Ito yung worm from the mangrove tree. Woodworm. Woodworm. So,
They said it tastes like better than the oyster daw.
it tastes like oyster or better than oyster. So, let's see. Oh my God! Ito na, this is it.
The verdict. The verdict. The verdict.
Oh, yan na. It's Chin's turn of the tamilok.
This is the tamilok.
Oh my God. Kaya mo yan, girl. Ayan yung hinahunt nila na, oh. Ayan na yung tamilok.
siya?
Iyaan mo na.
Okay. Okay.
Tamilok eating, guys. It tastes like oyster. Tingin nga. What's the verdict? It's not bad.
After you pass,
But you eat
The look-
oyster.
yeah. If you eat oyster, you're probably gonna like this.
Okay.
It really tastes like oyster.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Sineserve, paano wait tayo ng sineserve ni ate ng sineserve? Busin daw natin yan. Sa atin na lang daw.